Total we need 4 pieces of fabric. Okay, 2 for the collar and 2 pieces for the finishing. Okay, 2 pieces you can take collar pieces. If you have any lining pieces or something, you can take other 2 pieces for the finishing. Collar finishing and all, 2 pieces with the canvas. Okay, these 2 pieces with the canvas and the 2 pieces is without canvas. Place right side and right side, stitch for ½ inch. Take top stitch. Again stitch this side 0.5 inch and flip it. Then flipping. Okay, you'll be getting like this. This is the collar part and do the pressing. Okay, other side also same. Finish the part. After pressing these 2 pieces, from here 0.5 inch margin. Okay, from here 0.5 inch and from here 0.5 inch up. Take margin of 0.5, press like this. Okay, from here to here, press it. And this side also same. Here 0.5 inch and from the down take 0.5 inch and press it. Okay, after pressing, see, you will be getting like this. Okay, now attach these 2 pieces. Okay, attached for 0.5 inch. Now mark the center. Take the center marking. This one will attach to the body. See front part, this is center marking. Now this is right side and this is wrong side, right? Take right side of the fabric, place right side and this one also place like this. Center should match. Here this is right side, this is wrong side. Now right side should match. 0.5 inch. Okay, stitch for 0.5 inch. Start from the center. Take turn. See. Take cut and turn this fabric. Stitch for 0.5 inch. Same this process repeat for the other side also. Then you will be getting like this. See, you will be getting the shape like this. Then lock this one. Okay, from here to here lock. Place center and stitch for 0.25 inch. Sorry, 0. Place center and stitch for on the top of this marking. shoulder attachment, place right side and right side. Okay, open this one, attach for 0.5 inch.